Ohayou gozaimasu.
We're reaching the end of our trip, so we're crossing a few last things off our list, squeezing in as many things as we can. And one of those things is the second location of Shirohige's Cream Puff Factory. This one is in Kichijoji. This one doesn't have a cafe. It's just a walk-in, pick up your stuff and go. So as you can see, people keep coming in and out. But this location apparently has an exclusive Catbus cookie stuffed with rum raisin filling. Again, the rum raisin. I'm not a huge fan, but because it's exclusive, kind of have to get it. And I want another one of those cream puffs because it's really good. This place is a straight shot from Kichijoji Station. Come out of the, I think we came out of the park exit, right? Mm-hmm. Or definitely on the south side of the station. And you literally walk down the street, maybe 3 minutes, and it's on your right-hand side. If you're on the street with Yamada Denki Labi on the corner, you're on the right street. I hope they have different flavors this time. That would be cool. Look, it's all decorated for Christmas. Okay. One strawberry? Yes. One Catbus? Take a credit card? Cash on it?
It's really small in there.
Very tight.
Basically where she's standing, that's all there is to stand.
Yeah. And there was nobody there, and we were doing our intro, and then all these people showed up. And I'm not thinking, I should have just waited for them to leave because now it's clear again. But I was like, oh no, what if they take all the sandwiches? But we went in. Left. It was crowded. We could barely see anything in there, but there's not a lot to see. The other one is more visually impactful, but I'm not sure. That guy actually looked a lot like Miyazaki. I'm like... Anyway, we did get the Catbus sandwich. The cookie sandwich, sorry. So it's a little Catbus filled with rum raisin cream, and there's actually quite a bit more in there than I was expecting. We'll show it up close a little bit later. It's cute. And we also got, hold on. We got 2 of the cream puffs, and they're so cute. They're Christmas editions. And unfortunately, they only had 2 flavors in there. But I'm happy because I got the custard for myself, and you got strawberry.
But we already tried chocolate, so that's fine.
Yeah. I know I liked the custard anyway. It was really
Which
good.
one's which?
So this one, the pink one is strawberry, and the red and green one is the custard. So I think we're going to, we'll head over to Inokashira Park because that's right here. And that's a destination if you're in Kichijoji. You're probably going to want to go there anyway. So keep that in mind if you go to the location in Shimokitazawa, you can eat at the cafe there. But if you come to this location here, you can only eat out. So they only have the 2 flavors, but I think usually they have more because I've seen other people come away with the bigger boxes, but I could be wrong. Or maybe they're just doubling up on flavors. But the other location usually has at least 4. All right, let's go eat our cream puffs. We made it down to Inokashira Park. I stopped off to get myself a hot cocoa because I realized I need a drink to have with these. And we're sitting in front of the pond watching the swan boats. It's cool. I love swan boats. It's also kind of entertaining because like 2 girls will get in and they don't know what they're doing and they'll like just turn in circles. But it's a nice day. It's not too, like it's chilly, but it's not too bad.
But there's still red cheese.
Yeah, like surprising, right? Like it's still got some maple leaves on. Let's dig into this. First, let's have this Neko Basu Sando. So, Neko bus means cat bus. Bus in Japanese is basu. So up here it says Neko Basu Sando. And it's got May and a little Totoro and a soot sprite. Very cute. Gotta admit, I'm a little nervous about this.
Why?
Because the rum raisin. So it's got like a Ziploc kind of situation going on here.
So you don't have to eat it all at once.
And true. And I believe these are fresh made daily. So once they sell out of what they've got, that's it. And it looked like there was only about 6 left after we got there. That location opens at 11, whereas the one in Shimokitazawa opened at 10:30, I think.
I like the little Totoro there.
Yeah.
You need the tail or the head?
Tough call. What should I do?
I wonder if it's soft.
Okay, so actually I was expecting it to be like shortbready. Kind of is, but it's like softer than I was expecting. And look how thick. So let's show you what it looks like up close.
Too close.
I can't focus on it better because autofocus is locked right now. All right, I'm going to go for the head, I think, because that's got more cookie. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in for the nose.
Just in case you don't like it.
True.
Soft. Just chunks of raisin inside. Taste the rum yet?
Taste the rum. Don't mind the rum. Don't love the raisin. It kind of tastes like Christmas.
It's just okay for me.
Not bad.
Not totally great though. Could be better.
You know what I'm thinking? Japanese raisins are better than North American raisins.
I'm thinking the cream could be better. pepperoni.
Better in what way? I kind of like it.
It's not as strong. Maybe that's why you like it.
Yeah, it's faint.
I'm thinking better as in like stronger and sweeter.
I like it because the cookie is sweet and you don't want the cream to be too sweet.
You're gonna eat it all or save it?
No, I'm gonna eat it all. I'm gonna Karen bite this Totoro. You ready? Bye, little Totoro. Oh, look it. Totoro. All right, ready for this? Karen bite. Swan boat.
You know what they're doing? They're zooming.
A cookie on my chin. Want the rest?
Not the rest.
By the way, if you're looking for good hot chocolate, Totoro makes the best, in my opinion. Now we're gonna go in for the puffs. It's too bad that the box wasn't like special, because this is just a plain box. In the summertime, if you're going any place farther than 5 minutes away, they'll put an ice pack in here with your puffs to keep them from melting. So let's show this again.
Oh, she did put a pack in of some sort.
Oh, it has a freshness pack.
Is it freshness?
Well, I can't imagine.
Touch it.
No, it's ice.
Yeah.
Wow, it's wintertime.
It has a penguin on it.
These aren't gonna get cold.
Hot.
I mean hot. Look how cute. They're so adorable. Do you want to take a picture? Switch. I have an idea. Be right back.
Should have done this before.
Okay.
So how's it going, Karen?
Not bad.
I like your hair today.
Yeah, thanks. You worked extra hard on it. So we're going in. I'm gonna start with this little holly leaf up here. Chocolate. That berry was crunchy.
What's the rules? Can I just eat it? Oh, you're gonna do it that way?
Custard
I'm
in the
not gonna do
bottom.
it
No. Actually, that leaf didn't taste so
No.
good. Don't eat the leaf. Well. Okay. There's chunks of strawberry in there.
that way. Actually, that bite I didn't even get any strawberries.
No, you didn't.
It's very strawberry. Didn't you have custard last time?
My bite had barely any custard in it, but it was the pastry itself is pretty good.
It's pretty good. It has a strawberry cream type with a little bit of chunks in, not total. A lot. It's good, but I wouldn't rank it higher than custard or chocolate.
I don't know if you can see in here. The custard is like, has flecks of vanilla in it, and it's like not, it's got like a gradient of colors. I like that.
Finish the last of it. Actually, for a strawberry item, I don't mind strawberry. You hate strawberry, but it's actually really good.
Detest.
It doesn't taste like strawberry quick. Like fake strawberry. It tastes like real strawberry.
Real strawberry. I like to take my like not so creamy bits and dip them into the extra cream.
Like, I can taste little bits of strawberry in the cream. In the cream.
Someone's making a mess. You have it all over you. It's pretty good. I would rank our first experience a little bit higher just because we got to eat those inside. It was nice and warm in there. I wanted to try the matcha cream one, but they didn't have that available.
Strawberry's probably a big hit now this time of year because of the Christmas.
I'm gonna share mine with you. You should try some custard.
Don't mind if I do.
Wow. Teaching you how to bite? This one goes. I want to go in. Something I forgot to mention is Inokashira Park. This pond in particular is famous for its cherry blossoms. They float down onto the water and that makes this pink river. It's like a thing to come and do the swan boats with the sakura petals. I don't know. I kind of like the maple though. I think it sets off a nice contrast to the white swan boats. I'm really tempted to do it.
It's too cold and too old already.
Yeah, no time either. Oh well. Next time, swan boats, I'm coming for you. I hope you enjoyed vicariously eating Totoro cream puffs with us. Thanks so much for watching.
See you next time.
Macha chikai.